It's time. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You see this thing behind me? If you're new, you probably don't know what this is. This is my kayak. And it is currently March 8th. And it's time to bust this baby out of storage. Let's get it going. Is my Hobie Pro Angler 12. Hopefully it's not crawling with mice. Let's find out. Oh, I don't want to know. That's a little wet inside. Nothing that a good fan can fix. But my main worry, it's definitely wet inside. I said it would be infested with mice. Yeah, she's a little muddy. Nothing that a quick cleaning montage can't fix. Well, she's a bit crusty, a bit dusty, and very moist. Let's get her cleaned up and ready. People, got my rods, kayaks all ready. I am busting out tomorrow morning to go do something real fun, so stay tuned for that. Be a future video, but hopefully this is going to be the start of a very good open water season. As far as the kayak goes, I haven't shown it too much on the channel. I showed it a couple times last year, but big things coming. Gonna have to do a lot of videos talking about that soon. But for now, we're gonna get out on it and get this open water season started. So stay tuned. Big things coming.